What we are building today, it's called NearlyStop. Now it's for steroid tappers. Um, it lays out a steroid tapper that a patient and their doctor have already agreed, and this app tells the patient what to swallow each morning. Now, people coming off long-term prednisolone, usually for polymyalgia rheumatica, taper over 2 to 5 years. The widely used patient community method is called DSNS, come from dead swallow and dead slow and nearly stop. It's not take 1 milligram less, just in one step take 1 milligram less. It's not like that, It's an 11 block pattern in which the new lower dose is taken on progressively closer days. Run 52 days for a single 1 milligram step, and ignores the 7-day week. Patients try to map that onto a wall calendar, lose their place, and cut too fast, which causes a flare, costing months. The app arranges that pattern and answers one question a day. We have the today here. Today is 5 milligram, 5 milligram. It's taken or marks as taken. We can add a note here, hold, and flare. We have today, we have the schedule here that's made from the plan. We have progress here from 10 milligram to 5 milligram. You can see our progress. It took 250 days from 10 milligram to 5 milligram. And total taken is 1,775 milligram. That's not a lot. You can define the plan or change the plan here. The medicine, the current dose, the target, the started date. The tablets, you can have it here like this. We can add new as well if you have tablets. Or I can split the tablets. We have this one, so let's just remove this one. For example, we don't have it. The method, that slow and nearly stop, or percentage, or fixed. Next step, 10 milligram to 9 milligram. This is the plan that we started with this. In settings, we have this daily reminder. You can get some notifications there. And that's okay. It's time to take the tablet. We have the text size. We have this high contrast. We have the language here, 2 left to right and 2 right to left. English and German, Persian and Kurdish. You can see this is the right to left. Let's go back to English. We have export data, import data. We have some links here about. It's an open source. You can see the GitHub repository here. And done. This is what we are going to build today. Hello and welcome to my next episode from 50 Apps Challenge. Today we are going to build another mobile application, which still we don't know what we want to build. So let's go for the first step, finding the idea and setting up the repository. We don't know what we are going to build, and so let's just go for Claude Code and talk to Claude Code about it. Let's start Claude Code. It's an auto mode. Let's always keep it on auto mode. Look, you can use Shift and Tab to change it if it's not on auto mode. So let's keep it on auto mode. And now let's talk to Claude Code. We don't know what we want to build. We have no idea. For sure, as we are in the first videos, still we are going to build something offline, totally offline. No accounts, no online transactions, nothing so far. We are going to ask Claude Code to help us to find the idea. And you know that there is nothing like building an application for millions of people. We are not going to do that. We are just going to build something for a small group of people, which still we don't know which types of people. So let's talk to Claude Code. The first step is asking Claude Code to give you a prompt for finding the idea. You need to be honest with Claude Code. You need to explain everything to Claude Code. Okay? Like me. So let's go for it. I want to build I'm creating some videos to show how we can use Claude Code properly, how we can build perfect applications with best practices, codes with best structure of the codes, everything. I already have all the steps there, so I know what I want, what I'm going to do. But my problem is, I don't know what should I build right now. I'm going to build mobile apps. It could be with Flutter, it could be with Swift, it could be React Native. But as I said, I have no idea what I want to build. The only thing is, I want to build something totally offline and no accounts. Now what I want is asking you to help me to find an idea. I don't want to build something for millions of people, not at all. I just want something for a small group of people. But which types of people, I have no idea. What I want to build, I have no idea. I want you to help me to build something. It could be anything. It could be a mobile application. It could be a game, mobile game. It doesn't matter. But it must solve a pain for regular people. You see that I'm using Whisperflow, as I explained before in my all other videos. Using Whisperflow, you can just talk, and then Whisperflow converts it to text for you like this. I just hit my weekly limit. Anyway, no problem. But what I want, I don't want you to give me the ideas. I want you to give me a prompt that is searching, that is looking for an idea for me. Finding a real pain for people. And by the way, I don't want something complex at this step, at this moment. So just press enter and wait for Claude Code to find the idea for us. Let's just mention something here. By the way, I don't want you to look, to search on my other projects that I have in the system. You shouldn't check them. You shouldn't know about what I built before. You already hear everywhere that says prompts are important. We have the structure for the prompt. What should I build? How a good structure for a prompt is. What should you watch? What should you learn? You know, there are many things about it, but honestly, you don't need it. You know, because we can ask Claude Code to write down a perfect prompt for us. But we just missed something here. Now we have the prompt here. Okay, let's just we have it. We have the prompt here, and we have it in this file, which is in the directory that I'm working on it. It's here, the prompt. That's good. The idea hand, your mission, who is building it, hard filters, where to look, evidence bar, scoring, process, deep dive, format, and rules. This is good. This is good. This is perfect. And that's good. but we can make it better. Even we can create more accurate prompt. And how we can do that? We must ask Claude Code always. Let me just ask Claude Code. I want you to search on internet to find the best practices for writing a prompt. We are going to ask Claude Code Opus 5 to search for to do the search for us, to find the ideas for us. So go and check the Claude website, find the documentations, the guides about writing a good prompt, and based on those, write the prompt for us. But don't change the file that we already have, the prompt that we already have, this MD file. Create a new file for us with the updated prompt, with the new prompt. So when we ask Claude Code to do the search on internet, to check the internet, to find the best practices, the documentations, we always get the best result, the better result. So let's wait for to check everything. Look at this, it's checking the prompt engineering page from Claude Code. The overview, be clear and direct, use XML tags, chain of thought, overview. That's good. Let's just see what we get. Prompt Claude Opus 5. There is something that I just forgot to tell you, and it's about the effort. This one. Let's just wait for this. We always need to enable ultra code. This one enables an amazing feature from Claude Code, the workflow, which it can run multiple agents in parallel, and then it can analyze them, fix the result from them. And it handles a group of agents in a really perfect way, which we need to always enable it. Let's just wait for this one, then we go for changing this. We have this ultra code, effort ultra code. Let's just press switch to X high. Okay. Okay, this is done. Okay, this is done. Let's just change this one. This is done. Let's go for the new one, the prompt version 2. Look at the difference between those. We have these XML tags here, the rule, the context, success criteria. This one. Look at this totally different structure, you know. The evidence, where to search, research method, scoring, examples. Let's just check these examples. This one, for example, with a strong one. Pain. Anyway, people want to be more organized at home. Rejected. Output format, working style. Look at this totally different structure. Look at this one, and look at this one. It's totally different. So let's go for it. Now what we want to do, we go for a fresh session, Claude Code session. Just click on clear. We have a fresh Claude Code session. And now we are going to just paste this one here. By the way, you can see the ultra code is enabled. So we'll just press enter and wait for the result. For sure, when you're creating this prompt here, you can make it more accurate. You can make it more close to your brain. And how you can do that, you can ask Claude Code, when you're creating the prompt for me, ask me questions. Ask me multiple questions, many questions. No, you can ask Claude Code to ask you questions, to go through your brain, to know what you want exactly, what you're thinking about. You can always do that. But for us, we just didn't ask Claude Code, and we asked just to find something for us. But if you have something in your mind about your work, about your environment, your home, your pain, you can just talk to Claude Code. Ask Claude Code to ask you many questions, to make your pain obvious, to make your pain clear, understandable. No. Yeah, but for us, this is good so far. Reddit is fully blocked for both my search and fetch tools. Oh man. Reddit is blocked totally, so it's going to search to forums, Stack Exchange, Amazon reviews of paper, App Store reviews. So they are good. So let's wait for the result. Probably it takes, I don't know, maybe 30 minutes. Sometimes, you remember in our previous videos, sometimes it took 1 hour. So I will just stop recording and I will let you know when it's done. Right now we have, by the way, we have this file, idea research notes. Okay, let's just keep it there. Let's wait for this. Look at this. It was fetching the customer reviews from App Store, and it's doing some web search, and we have this workflow. It was running a workflow for us, which 11 agents: road trade, care health, animals, land, water, outdoors. There are many things here. Let's wait for it to see the result. Okay, it's done. About 4 hours. What do we have here? It seems we have these two files, idea shortlists and idea research notes. Let's just check those. We have this one. Let me open preview. Idea research notes. Method. 42 raw candidates, and this is the list. High daily, high daily, high daily, high weekly. There are many ideas here. Confidence, frequency. There are a lot. Rejections and why. Finalists sent to store verification. Workflow. It seems we had another workflow. The system was running another workflow. Let me just check it. Let me just check. There was another workflow. This one took about 30 minutes. See if we have. There was another one, about 30 minutes. And we had our main one, the first one, which took about 50 minutes. That's good. So Claude Code was running multiple workflows to prepare this shortlist at the end. Let's just click on open preview. So we have this one, 5 finalists, and this is the one with highest score. Let's just check it. What's this one? The alternating day steroid tappers, the pain. Someone with polymyalgia rheumatica is told to come down from 10 milligram of prednisolone to 9 milligram. The safe community method does not take 1 milligram less. It's an 11 block calendar where the new dose is taken on progressively closer days. Means 1 new plus 5 old, then 1 new plus 5 old. Shouldn't be 2 new plus 5 old. 1 new 6 old, 1 new 5 old. Anyway, let's continue. Then 1 old plus 6 new, then daily, which runs 52 days for a single 1 milligram step. Then each day's dose has to be built out of the tablets you actually hold. 6.5 milligram is 1 milligram plus 1 milligram plus half a milligram. Patients try to map a 52-day non-weekly pattern onto a 7-day week, lose their place, and cut too fast, which cause a flare that costs months of progress. That's a real pain. I'm not sure about this calculation here. We can ask Claude Code about it. Let's just go and ask Claude Code. About the first idea, the alternating day steroid tappers. You mentioned it in the idea shortlist file. One new plus 6 old, then 1 new plus 5 old. Is this correct? Shouldn't be 1 new plus 6 old, then 2 new plus 5 old. And how this goes to 52 days? I just don't understand it. Let's just ask Claude Code what does it mean. Okay, we have the result. Okay, it says it's you take the new dose on exactly 1 day per block. Let's just check this one. So it will be 1 new 6 old for 7 days. Okay. 1 new 5 old for 6 days, 1 new 4 old for 5 days, 1 new 3 old 4 days, and then we continue like this. Then we have here 1 old 2 new 3 days, 1 old 3 new 4 days, and 1 old 6 new 7 days. So it will be like this, 52 days. It seems it's a real pain because for 52 days it will be really difficult to handle it, to remember it, to manage it. We have the other ideas here. French childminder's monthly pay recap. Let's just keep it there. The CLP hazard label for candle and wax melt makers. A UK maker must put a CLP hazard label on every candle or wax melt they sell. Okay, we have these two ideas as well, but we can use it for another application. For now, let's just go for the first one. The alternating day steroid tapper, and means the next step. Okay, setting up the repository, GitHub repository. So let's just go for it. And by the way, for repository, we need to find a name for it, right? Let's just create a new tab here. GitHub new repository. Let's just find a name for it. We can ask Claude Code. Okay, we are going for the first idea, the alternating the steroid tapper. What do you suggest for the name of the GitHub repository for this project, for this app, this mobile app? Okay, we have the names here. The recommendations, NearlyStop. Okay. Tapper days, 2 alternative. Let's just go for this one, NearlyStop. Add it here. That's good. I'm making it public. Go for it. Okay, we have this. Let's just add it into our app. We can just ask Claude Code to do it. This is our repository. Okay, this is my repository. Yes. Commit the files that we have so far and just push it. This is the GitHub repository. So the next step is write this spec. Turn the idea into documentation. Every screen, every feature, what's in version 1 and what is not. So let's just go for it. After this one. As I said, we are going for the first idea. So I want you to create another MD file for me and turn the idea into documentation. How many screens we must have, what do we have in each screen, what are the features that we have, what we can have for a complete version 1, and what we can postpone right now. For sure I need a version 1 that really works, that will be useful for everyone, and version 2 just must be some fancy things there. This is our next step. Let's just wait for this first, then we paste this one. We press enter. It's like this because I just this Whisper Flu is pasting the text here, and the text is 5 lines, so we don't see the 5 lines here. We just see something like this: pasted text, 5 lines. So let's just refresh the page. We have all files here, so you can see it, you can check it. Now the next step, we have the result here after 3 minutes. spec.md. Okay, Let's just check the file here. This is the file. Open preview. NearlyStop. Product specification. Okay, we have all documentations here. We need to read them for sure. If there is a problem here, if there is something confusing here, we need to talk to Claude Code and ask about it. I just read all the documentation. Everything is good, everything is fine. So we can go for the next step. And the next step is research the platform. To know which one we want to use to building the app. Here we know that we don't go for doing the research and to find the best practices for the language. We are going to use it to use Flutter to build this app, which everyone, iOS users and Android users can use it. So we are skipping this step. And about the Flutter, you can see this one. Then this step, step number 5, building the Claude Code skills. Here we were finding, if you saw our previous videos, here we were asking Claude Code to find the best practices, to find the best structure, to search on internet and find the best way to write an application, for example, with Flutter, with Swift, or with React Native. And we were creating a huge documentation about the best practices. And in this step, we were creating the Claude Code skills from those documentations that we built in the research platform step. But now, we did this in many applications, and we built a very good Flutter skill repository that has about 40 skills, and each skill let me just go back to one of them, not this one. And each skill, most of the skills have very good structure, examples, some references, scripts, and the skill itself. So we are going to add this one to the project. Means skipping this research the platform step. So for this one, just copy this. Come here, talk to Claude Code. We are going to build the app using Flutter. And there is one repository that has the list of about 40 Flutter skills. Let's just copy this. I want you to create the .cloud/skills directory inside my project and copy all the skills from that repository into the project. There are many solutions for using these Flutter skills. You can see how to use these skills. This is one of them. Claude Code. My idea is just using this one. Copy into a single project. I always do it like that. You can go for the other solutions, but as I said, I'm just doing it like this. I like this one. So just go for it. Okay, it's done. It took about 2 minutes. Let's just check the repository. Yep, we have it. The Cloud skills. That's good. We have the list of all the skills here. As you can see, some of them have examples. We have references that for more explanation. We have some scripts that Claude Code will run those scripts to check the code that is writing, and we have the skill itself here. That's good. That's good. So let's go for the next step. And the next step is choose the design system. Deep research on what good looks like on this platform, then build a few real examples. Let's go for it. Now I want you to create 3 totally different design systems. Please don't create something formal, don't create something sad, dark, For sure we need the dark mode as well for the app, but I'm just saying that don't go for something sad, for something painful that feels pain. Don't go there. Just something meaningful, something that gives you energy, gives you a reason to continue. Okay? Feels happy, feels safe. Create 3 different, totally different design system for me, and then for each design system, I want you to create 2 HTML file. In one one HTML file, I want you to create all screens of the app, a mock-up from the app, but all of these screens. And what? And in the other one, I want you to create the entire design system there, like font size, shadows, blocks, cards, everything. Like our previous previous application. Remember the game that we made? For each design system, we had 2 HTML file. And yep, let's go for it. And we forgot something here. We need a multi-language application, Let's just stop this. I'm just stopping this. And by the way, I want a multi-language application, just to know. A right to left and a left to right. For right to left, you can use Persian, and for left to right, for sure, for now, just English in this demo that you are creating for me. We asked for 3 design systems, so Claude Code is going to use Ultra Code, the workflows, for sure. It's creating a directory for the designs. The workflow is running, and these are the ideas. Daybreak. Every day is a step toward the morning you are heading for. Almanac. You are tending something slowly and it's growing. Beacon. You've got this. Okay, let's just wait for them. Workflow still is running, but let me just check the app. With the design, it seems we have these screens here. Let's just check them one by one. Finder, open one. Welcome. Dark light, Persian English. I really don't like this. What is this? No, I don't like this one at all. Let's go for the other one. Beacon. Come, I understand. We have today. And today we have this one. Today, upcoming day. Progress. Plan setting. That's not bad. Let's check the last one. This is the beacon system. Daybreak screen. This one is much nicer than the other ones. I like this one. I like this one. Let's go for this one. This is good. I really like this one. For sure there are some problems here. That's obvious. But it's good. It's good. I like it. And we have this system itself. We have it like this. Okay, let's just for this one check the dark mode. Dark mode is beautiful as well. Check the Persian right to left. Okay, it's good. That's good. I like it. And we have this. Even for this one, you have dark light Persian English. Left to right, right to left. The colors, that's good. Typography, it's good. Spacing, this is good. Everything is good. Components, those here. List, badges, forms, toggles and sliders, tab bar, icons. This is amazing. That's really great. So let's just go for this one. Let's check the workflow. Workflow still is running. These two are done. We can just stop it because we know what we want, and it's this one, and this is done. But let's just wait for this one as well. No problem. Let's just wait a few minutes more. The workflow is done. About 14 minutes. Not committed yet. Same as the skills. Yep. We know the design, what design we want, right? Now we have our files here, the system and screens. And now let's just go for the next step. And as you can see, it says it's not committed yet, so it's same as the skills, but wait, I don't see it here. Manage workspace trust, just trust. Okay, now we have them. Okay, let's ask Claude Code to commit them. Commit and push the skills and design files. Let's have this. And then the next step is build the Claude Code skills. We already have Claude Code skills for the engineering side, for the best practices. But about the design system into skills, we need this one as well. let's come here, wait for this. Okay, they are committed now. Now the next step, as I explained, is creating the skills based on the design system. So look at the skills, the Claude Code skills that we already have. Now I like this design, the brick. I want you to create the Claude Code skills from this design, like the skills that we already have. It's running a workflow for it. 3 skills. So let's wait for them. Let's see what we will get. Workflow is done. We have 3 workflows. We have 3 skills. The 3, we have some reference, component. For components, we have examples. For tokens, we have examples and reference. That's good. Alright, that's good. Now let's go for the next step, which is creating the epics and tasks. We are using Claude Code to create one directory called epics, and then the implementation process, the implementation steps. We are going to create different epics, multiple epics for this process, for implementation the app. And each epic has its own tasks as well. The reason why we need these epics and tasks we will find in the next step. So let's just go for it. Now what I want you to do is create a directory called epics, and then inside this epics I want you to create one MD file for each epic. I want you to create, we want to break these specs and the entire implementation process into epics and tasks. Okay, so create one directory called epics, and then inside that, for each epic, create one MD file, and inside the epic file explain the state that we already have, explain the reason that why we need these epics, and explain what we will achieve after finishing this epic. And then after that, for each epic file, after those explanation, add the list of the tasks that we need to do with very good details, with complete details. Okay, so one epics directory. For each epic we have one MD file, and inside the MD file we have explanation about the epic, and then after that we have the list of the tasks as well, with all details, but few things that are really important here. For each epic, create one branch, and then after finishing the epic, finishing all tasks, implementing all tasks of that epic, create the PR with a good description, and wait for the pipeline, for the CI, and then merge it. Okay, first one branch for each epic, and then after finishing each epic and before creating the PR, you need to run these two skills and agents. Claude Code has two skills and agents, two skills. Yeah. One of them is simplify, and another one is code review. We always need these two. We must always run these two after writing the code. Then and fix everything that's those two mentions. And then we need to mention the list of the skills that Claude Code needs to load before starting the epic. Now I want you have the list of all skills that we have. For each epic, I want you to mention the list of all skills that Claude Code needs to load. All skills that are required for that epic. Okay. This is the other one. And then we have the design system, and we have the screenshots for that. We have some demo for that, the HTML file. For the related epics, for the related tasks, I want you to take a screenshot from those designs, from those screens, and then compare the screen, the one that you build, with these screenshots. I want to have the exactly same design, the exactly same UI. Okay, so you need to compare them. You need to mention that we must compare, that we must have exactly the same screen. Okay, and I just forgot that for this one we need to create a I think we need to have a skill as well. You'll ask Claude Code if you need that. And by the way, for this UI and this having exactly the same compare with the screenshots, I don't know if we need a Claude Code skill or not. Then what? I think we already have everything. No. I think we have everything. That's good. Oh, let's just mention that. And by the way, our app is multi-language. We need to have left to right and right to left. And for as default, let's just have English and German for the left to right, and for the right to left, let's just have Persian and Kurdish. Sorry. And what else? I think this is all the things that we need. Okay, that's all. Let's just go for it. And wait for the result. Probably takes about 1 hour, 2 hours. Let's see. It's running another workflow, and it's for it's creating a skill, a new skill, visual parity. Okay, let's just wait for this one. So how about the rest? Let's see, what do we have here? It's checking many things here, and first it's going for reference screenshots. Let's just wait for this one first. Yeah, let's just wait for this one first. Okay, the workflow for visual parity skill is done. It took about 16 minutes. Now let's just check, what do we have now? Epics. Oh, we have epics as well. When it what is the section for creating the epics? I just cannot see it. I cannot see it. There was no workflow, I'm pretty sure, and we have this one that took 8 minutes. This process that took 8 minutes, so I have no idea, honestly, when this merge record, this epics. As I'm not sure about them, let's just ask Claude Code again, and please review the epics, check the epics again, all of them, and see if there is some problems there, something missing. I really have no idea. It just took 8 minutes, it seems. I can see this that says the 15 epic files, and the parity skills are still generating, and it took about 8 minutes. Usually it must take about 1 hour, 2 hours for the epics and tasks, but anyway, let's just have this final confirmation here and ask Claude Code to check them again, and then we will go for the next step. I'll just send this one. And wait for it. It's running a workflow to review the epics. Let's just wait for this as well. You can see that 138 finding, 23 blockers, 69 measure. we have to wait for it. We have to fix them. And which Claude Code is fixing them. Okay, it's done. Seems all fixed. Epic 13. There was a workflow which was resolving all 23 blockers and 69 major issues. That's good. So that's great. Now let's just go for the next step, which is implementing and test. There are some things that still remain. Just about the test, I totally forgot that. Let me just check the task. Yeah, we did a huge mistake here. I totally forgot that. Yeah. And there is something else. We didn't create the cloud.md file as well. We need that one too. So let's just go back here. We forgot something here. I want the TDD approach for implementing. So we must have tests always first, and then start implementing the change. Start implementing the tasks. I think we need to update the epics as well, again. And after that, create the cloud.md file as well. That explain everything, the approach that we have, TDD, and the skills epics, the idea itself, and yeah, let's make it ready. That's a very important part that we forgot, this TDD. That's everything for the tasks. Because if you don't go for writing tests, and Claude Code can do anything, and we no one knows that it breaks something or not. These tests are the most important part of each task. Never write a code, never create an application, implement something without test. You must always have test. Always. I can say that's a non-negotiable part of each app. We have a workflow for adding test first block to every task in all 15 epics. And we have cloud.md file as well. Just this one. Okay. So let's wait just for this one too, and then we go for the final step. Great, the workflow is complete, and now let's just check them. For example, this one. test first, for example. Test first. All tasks have tests first. That's good. That's good. So now start implementing. But before this, let's just clear the session and start a totally new session. And let's just start it. For start, we can go epic by epic, or we can use this beautiful goal feature that we have here. And how many epics we have? 15. We just go for 1, 2, maybe 7. Let's just go for this 7 epics. Complete epics 1 to 7. Okay, done. It took probably, I don't know, 7 hours, 8 hours. As we have the goal here, we don't get any question from Claude Code. Hi, I just finished the first task. Do you want to continue with the next task? We don't get these types of things anymore. The goal is there, and Claude Code is going to achieve this goal. Let's wait for the result. But I was just checking the design. Look at the images we have. By the way, the design is beautiful. It's really beautiful, you know. I like it. The right to left one is beautiful as well. Now let's wait. I will let you know if something new happens. That's amazing. 12 hours it was working non-stop. That's really great. Epic 1 to 7. Let's just check the okay, what's landed? PR 1 to 7. Each went through the full workflow, TDD, with the red step observed. Simplify, code review, PR, green CI, and merge. Let's just check it. Open, go here, refresh the page. Okay, all are merged. There is no open PR. We have all files configured, everything here. That's great. Even we have a README file for the GitHub as well. That's great. Now let's just check the our code again. We have epics. Epic 1 to 7 is done. Now we go for 10 to 14. Let's just go for 8 to 14. Okay, just open Claude Code, define a new goal, complete epics 8 to 14. And let's just say something else. After each epic, launch the app on an iOS simulator. Okay, so we want to see what we have after each epic in the app. Now, because it's, you know, you can see that epic 8 is today's screen, so we must have it, right? It's about 17 hours for our next step. I just got some API error overload from Anthropic itself, but still is working. About 17 hours so far. No, that's the beauty of having everything clear, having these epics and tasks. Claude Code knows what to do and it's going to do everything. Now it's writing a red test now, then it's going to implement, it's checking the design, then checking the tests, everything is always doing that, you know. And that's good. Now this one took about 17 hours. The previous goal took about 8 hours, right? And before that we had some design implementing and the other things. And so far it took just about 16% of my weekly. So it's good. Still we have to wait. It's busy with, let me just check. Epic 12 merged, so it's going for Epic 13. No. We can check the apps. Let's just have it. Okay, what do we have now? Okay, this is it today. Your plan starts here. Set up my plan. The medicine, current dose, target, start date. The tablets, I can split tablets. Method, change steps, save plan. Plan saved. Now we have this here. Mark as taken. 1 5 milligram, 1 2.5 milligram, and 1 milligram, and half of 1 milligram. New dose today. We can add notes here. We have the note. Hold. Flare. We have schedule. Today. Tomorrow. The day after tomorrow. Oh, it's like this, it's 10 milligram. Then it's going to 9 milligram. The third block of 11. I don't know how that is. Yeah, we will check it later. Let's just finish everything, wait for everything. The progress. Right, it's like this. There must be something here. Plan, settings, we have thing here, contrast, daily reminder. Okay, we have notifications as well, that's good. Reminder at 9:30 for example. The text size, it works. High contrast works. Language, that's good, it works perfectly. Ah, this one's failed. Okay, we have an error here. What can we do here? There's an error here. Nothing I can do right now. So let's just wait for the other things. I can take a screenshot from this and send it here. And says, when I change the language to Kurdish, I got this error in settings. Now we have to wait. It's busy with Epic 13, and then it goes for Epic 14, and then the goal is complete. Let's wait for this. Okay, the goal is complete finally after. We don't see the exact time here, but it was really almost a day. After 20 hours, probably 22 hours. Don't look at this 5 hours here, because we got some errors here. Overloaded by Anthropic itself, so I had to continue. And you remember this, the image that we sent here. The image that we sent here. If I remember correctly, when we wrote this, when we added this image, this bug here, it was about 17 hours, right? 17 hours, and this 5 hours, yeah, it's about 22 hours. So 22 hours from epic 8 to epic 14. That's, you know, this is the beauty of this, having everything clear, having these epics and tasks, details, everything there, you know. You don't need to look after the Claude Code, you don't need to see what's going on. Just at the end, come here and test it. Let's just open the app. Now we have the simulator, NearlyStop. Set my plan, schedule, progress. For everything I need to have a plan. Let's come here, set my plan. This one is good, this one is good. This is good. Let's just save the plan. Now come back here, we can see everything here now. We can see progress, still nothing. Plan, settings. Now if we go for daily reminder, hello, then maybe reminder here, something like that. The text is good, but I think it's still too big, isn't it? We can ask Claude Code to make it just smaller, the default smaller. The languages, Deutsch, Persian, Kurdish. Yeah, we don't have that bug anymore. Export data, import data. We don't have an account, right? We don't have user accounts. We don't have anything online, so you have to export it and then as a backup, and then import it later if you want. Okay, view licenses. We don't need these licenses here. What is this? This is a note. Mark has taken. Hold. Flare. The note. Okay, I think this is good, right? And that's the app. So let's just go for the next epic, for the final epic. What do we have here? The release. For sure, we need to create a logo for the app as well, right? We need to create a logo for the app. So what is this epic about? Version changelog, Android signing, iOS signing, app icon and splash. Okay, this is good. This is all we need. Crash report, privacy. It's good. Build. Okay, this is good. This is good. But before going here, we need this too. Yeah. Okay, let's just keep it there. Let's just go for it. No way. We will change it later. Just one thing that I want to keep it here about the bundle ID. The bundle ID. We will change this later. After our next step, we will change this bundle ID. The goal complete epic 15. But about the bundle ID, we are going to change the bundle ID. I will let you know later when you finish the epic 15. I will let you know about the bundle ID. We are going to change it. And don't publish it on App Store or Google or Android Studio. Don't do that. We will do it later at the end. Just those two steps are different. We need to go for the next step that we have here. This next step means build the required page. We have to go for this one, then we go for publishing the app. And about the bundle ID, as always, as you saw in our previous videos, we are going to use the app Blender for building the required pages, and then we will use the URL of the app Blender for the app that we have there as the bundle ID for the app. So let's just wait for this. Okay, that's good. The final epic is done. Almost 4 hours. Don't think about this one because we just got some connection problems again. So that's why it's 1 hour and 45 minutes from that connection error. But the goal took about 4 hours, which is good. Now everything is here. Let's just check the app. One of the things was the logo of the app, which is the icon of the app, which is this one. That's good. Let's open it. This is the splash screen. It's good. Now this is the welcome page. Welcome to NearlyStop. Always follow your doctor's instructions. It doesn't give medical advice. Everything stays on this phone. No account, no internet. I understand. Set up my plan. Oh, that's this plan. We can add one more here. 2.51 milligram. That's good. Okay, that's good. Maybe just we can add this one as well. I can split tablets. Okay, so if we can split up, we don't need that one. This one 10 milligram to 9 milligram. That's our goal. Save plan. So today we have this one 5 milligram, one 2.5 milligram, and one 1 milligram, and one half milligram. Mark as taken. Day 1 of 52. Come here. This one is taken. This is the rest. For example, this one is just 3 days. This block is 2 days. This block is 3 days again, 4 days, and continue. We have the progress. Look, for this one we need some data, right? We need some data to see this one. We can ask Claude Code about it. Look, about the progress screen, I can just select for 1 day. I cannot handle the other days. Okay, so can you just run the app with some data? I want to see how this chart for the progress bar is look like. Run the app, but add lots of data. For example, we are in week, I don't know, 9, the block 9, okay? And we'll do whatever you can do for this one. Let's just see the app with data. View license. Let's just say this is an open source. In the settings section, I want you to add another link there. This is an open source app, right? I want you to add the link of the GitHub repository as well, and add some comments there that this is an open source. You can just see the code and those things. Let's see. Let's wait for the result. Okay, it's done. Let's just check it. If this is the open source link. When you click on it, it will open the repository. That's great. Let's close it, come back here. It's good, everything. Just this, what is this black line here? Let's just check our design. What is that? Someone's trying to generate these lines here. You can see. Yeah, it seems it's that. I just taken a screenshot from this. Sure, bring it here. Oh, it doesn't work like this. Let's just go back again. Take the screenshot from this. Come and see. Come back here. Control V. We have the image here. Look at the screenshot from the HTML for the card. You can see in the right side we have those white circles there. But look at our app. Let's open the app, take a screenshot, bring it here. You can see the right side of the 5 milligram. There is a black line from from left to right. You can see that. So let's fix that. Let's fix this as well as the final step. Let's just see how is it. New dose today. Let's just see if it's 5 milligram. You're taken. The things are much bigger. You can see. Let's just talk to Claude Code again. Look, when I'm comparing the app that you build with the image that we have from the screenshots from the HTML file, I can see things in the app are much bigger. You know, the buttons are bigger, the cards is bigger. Now everything is much bigger. Even I think the fonts are bigger. Just come back here. I think the fonts are correct. The fonts are bold, for example, here. Just the fonts are different. Some of them are bold, some of them are just normal, some of them are bigger size, some of them are smaller. Just have this. Okay, it's done. Let's just check the app. What landed? We have these PRs. Let's just check the PRs first. Yeah, all merged. So let's just check the app. Okay, now it's good. Look, that's much better. And we have this data here. You can see now it's in block 10. This one taken. That's good. Not ticked. Look at the progress. Wow, that's great. 1 flare and 1 hold recorded from 10 milligram to 5 milligram. That's good. 249 days. Anyway, we have the plan here. And this thing with the link here. Okay, this is all good. That's all Great. So let's just go for the next step, which is building the required page. But before that, let's just go for completing our PR or repository here. We need to add some descriptions here, add a license here, contribution, which we have it. Add the screenshots here. We want to have the screenshots of the app here as well, right? So let's just, we want to have the logo of the app here. We want to have some, that badges here about the license, about the platform, about versioning, everything here. So let's just go for it. That's good. Now I want you to do something else for me. I want you to complete our GitHub repository, add description, tags, and add some screenshots from the app into the README file and the logo of the file. Yeah, let's just complete our README file first. Okay, it seems it's done. It's made a new merge request here and it's waiting for description and tags. Let's just say that one. Let's check the merge request as well. There is something here, one thing worth your attention before merging. There is no license file in the repository, it's public. So just add the license file. Okay, just add the license file. It could be Apache. Apache 2 is a very good license for these types of projects. Let's check the repository to check the images as well. I mean the pull request here. One change file is the README file. Just click on this one. We have the logo here. We have some descriptions, some screenshots. Well, we have these ugly screenshots. For example, this progress. We can have this one, right? Let's just come back here and take a screenshot from this. Move it here. Schedule, let's just have schedule like this. Take a screenshot here. For today, let's just go for settings, language. Let's have it here. And this as well. Let's have these screenshots. For keep the today, but for performance, for settings, for the languages, for the plan, you must use this image that I just sent you. Okay, let's just wait for this as well. Okay, it's done. Let's just go back here, refresh the page. We have license as well. We have the screenshots here. It's good. Now let's just check the README file. We have the README file. Click on this one to see it. Yeah, that's good. Okay, all good. All good. Let's just wait for the CI, and then we merge it. Then we go for the next step, building the required page. Claude Code already made some monitors job here, agents here. Probably they're waiting for the CI. It's done. CI is done. It's complete and branch is merged. Claude could merge it by itself. Now what do we have here? We have the description, tags, and we have this logo here, the icon. We have some screenshots, and this is good. So let's go for the next step, which building the required page. For building the required page, we are going to use Appblender. I already showed you before in our previous videos. We are using this one to publish the app for a required page, because we need support page, we need privacy policy page, we need a landing page, and if we have ads in the app, we need some URLs for the Google ads as well, which all is done here. If your app is needs managing user, you must have a link for a page that accept requests from user for deleting the user data. This one handle that for you as well. For each app, you can see it. We have the landing page here. We have privacy policy here. Terms of services here. You can just edit all. You can edit it, everything here. You can edit this. FAQ you can add for the page, change logs if you want to have some blogs, if you want status page, support tickets. For example, you will get a ticket like this from users. You can reply, open, normal, delete ticket, deletion requests. You can have guides. We can have, and yeah, let's just check it. Go to overview. Open, for example, this was our previous one that we built. You remember that? The screenshots, the links for App Store. We have the support page here. FAQs, quick helps. All of this you can manage it, you can handle it. This data, the privacy policy, terms of use, changelog, and documentations about the app. So let's go for our app. For this one, as I said before, let me just go to Appblender itself. Okay, just we need to, let me log in incognito. This is the main page of the Appblender website. Just go to the blog, MCP. I don't know why they don't add the link into this MCP configs into the login page. So you just copy this one in your Claude Code. Let me just log out. Add this here. Let me go back to my previous session now. I'll resume my previous session. Yes, I trust this folder. Now go to MCP and Appblender. It's still logged in right now. It's authenticated now. But if it's not authenticated, because I did it for our previous app, so it's there. But if it's not authenticated, you can just see view tools and authenticate. Just click on authenticate, and everything is good. Now, we don't need to handle things by ourselves. What is this? I need to stop it. You don't need to, let me close this one. You don't need to create the app here by yourself, filling out all of this data, and then go back to, and in the dashboard page, manage all of these things by yourself. This Appblender has MCP, so we can ask Claude Code to do everything for us. You have access to Appblender MCP. Now I want you to create the app there for me with all pages. Documentations, blogs. If you want, you can find some blogs from internet and create some blogs here as well for me. The dashboard, the landing page, support page, FAQs, everything. Just build everything for me. Add screenshots, images, everything there. privacy policy and terms of use too. And let's go back here. Right now we have 11 apps here. Just wait for this. And this is good. For one app it's free. You can have it for one app if you have just one app, and that's good. If you have multiple apps, you have to pay for the pro subscription, which is almost cheap, €7 per month or €50, €40 per year. And now let's wait. Still busy. Okay, it seems it's done. Blocked. It says blocked. The automate classifier denied create app. Why? We're calling an MCP. Let's just change the automate here. I'll change it to accept edit. You can do it by press shift and tab. I just changed the automate. Now can you try again? Yes. Okay, it's created now. So let's wait. Okay, it's asking many questions. Now I just changed the automate to this one. I will change it to automate again. So I expect to have no more questions. Okay, it's done. 24 minutes. Let's just refresh the page. Yeah, it's here. It's draft, no problem. Let's just publish it. Now we have the URL for it. Open it. So it's here. Okay. The list of features, screenshots, and we have support. Some quick helps. FAQ. Privacy. Terms of service coming soon. That's not needed anyway. We can ask Claude Code to prepare this one as well. Change log and some documentations about the app. So let's these are the required page. We need this one, the landing page URL. We need this support URL, and we need privacy URL. We need these URLs for App Store and Google Play, both. So let's go for the next step, the final step. Publish on App Store and Google Play. Let's just open Apple Connect Store. Apple Store Connect. Let me just log in. Now we are here. We just need to click on apps, new app. The bundle ID, we need the bundle ID. Okay. About the bundle ID, let's just change the bundle ID of the app, which is this one, right? So this, let's talk to Claude Code. Now change the bundle ID of the app to this. I always use the io.applender.dep. I always use the Applender URL for my bundle IDs. It's always there, it's always unique, it's always fixed, so it's good. Change the bundle ID of the app to this one. And then create the bundle ID in App Store. You already have all App Store connects and Team ID tokens in my environments. How Claude Code can publish the app, create the app in App Store. Here, I already made a video for that. I will add the link of the video in the description. So you can watch that one, follow the steps there, and then Claude Code can upload and manage apps in App Store for you. So let's just wait for this. Okay, the app is created. Let's come back here. First, refresh the page. Come back here. Now, in bundle ID, we can see it. It's here. Let's just check this one. iOS, primary language English. And for this SKU, I will use this. And user full access. Create. Just to refresh the page. Now it's here. So let's just go back to Claude Code. I just created the app in App Store Connect. Now continue with all other data that we need there. Look, if I open this one, there are many things that we need here. We can do it manually by ourselves, or we can ask Claude Code to do it. First of all, like screenshots for iPhone and iPad, promotional text, description, keywords, support URL, marketing URL. These two are coming from Applender. Copyright, we need this build here as well. And then we have app information as well. We need this category, subtitle, about the privacy. This is the privacy policy URL. This coming from the App Store, Applender as well. So let's just wait for this one. Just wait for Claude Code. Okay, it's done. Let's just come here, refresh the page. You can see the screenshots here. The screenshots for iPad are there as well. Promotional text, description, keywords, copyright, just like this. And the build, still we need to build. I will let you know about this app review information. We don't need sign in. Claude Code needs my phone email, then we can just save this data. As Claude Code doesn't know about my phone number, so it couldn't add this data here. But I just need to ask for a note. Just give me the note for reviewer. And then I will do the rest by myself. Go to app information. We have this one, subtitle, the category, the app age rating. Let's just go to app privacy as well. You can see our privacy policy URL. Just this questionnaire, we need to do it by ourselves. Is our app collecting data? No, we don't collect data. And done. Publish. Now its app is up. Privacy, pricing and availability. We can ask Claude Code to do it, or we can just say, okay, it's free everywhere. And app availability, available all countries or regions. And done. Now it's ready for we need this one as well. Declare whether the app is a regulated medical medical device. No, let's just here. No, it's not. It's not. No, it's not. Let's just get the not for reviewer. Come on. Okay, it's done. Let's just find it. Just copy the text. Okay, it's here. Just copy. Came here. Where is it? No, it's side. And no sign in. We have the note here. The first name. And my phone and my email, which I will do it by myself. Okay, it's done. Now only one thing remains, and that's the build. Let's just go back here. I just saved the not for reviewer by myself. I added emails and phone number there. Now I just need the build. Everything is ready. We just need the build. We will add it here as well, and then it's done. Okay, it's done. Let's just refresh the page. And yeah, we have the build here. Now click on add build, select the build, done. There is just a missing component. Just click on it. It's about some encryption. Just say none of algorithms mentioned above. It's based on our project, but you can do something else. You can just copy paste this question and ask Claude Code about it. But I know about the application, so none of the algorithms mentioned above. Save. And done. Everything is there. It's okay. And click on save. Now click on add for review. Okay, there are some problems here. Copyright, this field is required. Let's just come down to see the copyright. I remember I did this one. Okay, now click on save. Go back here, copyright information. It's still asking about the medical devices. No. Any country? No. You're just some notification, just a reminder. You know, it's not something like a device. And now it's done. Just click on add for review again. And done. That's all. And now we have to wait for maybe 2 days, 3 days to get the result. By the way, if you want to test the app on your iPhone, on your device, you can come here, test flight, and internal testing. Define a name, for example, myself, for the group. And here, add yourself as the tester. So this email will receive a notification, this address will receive a notification that you can just install test flight app on your iPhone, on your device, and then log in with your with this email address that you have, and you can just install the app on your device, and it works for 3 months. That was the last step. And the Claude Code skills and create epics and tasks, those two are the most important section in the entire process. When you have those two perfect, when you have those two complete, you have no problem in the entire process. Don't forget comment, subscribe, and like. I wish you all the best, and see you in our next episode.